these islands in the middle of the Indian Ocean, and because people hadn't been around and there's no predators around these islands, there weren't until people came, and then and cats and rats and all that stuff, because we bring the party, so these birds would all the birds just come, they just fly up to you, just what are you doing? And then just look at you like a bird looks at you, but except really close up, they look at you like this. How you doing? That's what it looked like they were saying. What kind of bird are you?
All the things.
You're super ugly. Where are your feathers? What's wrong with you? Birds are smart. Some more than others. Pigeons are brilliant, but they don't show off. So it's like, pigeons are stupid. Some chickens are smart. Crows are smart. They're trying to explain the universe to us, and we're just not listening. Oh well. Not the smartest of all birds.
Good idea.
This bone.